Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix we have run into a problem. Please try again later in Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and facing this type issue on your Apple ID, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go back from here and you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. Once you have disconnected, just go to settings, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, just simply go back and go to date and time section. Enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. After doing that, just go back from here and you can try to make a forced restart because sometimes it might be a software glitch or any minor iPhone glitch. So it can be easily fixed by making a forced restart. Now to do this, just quickly press on this volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once the phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to sign out and then re-sign in from your Apple ID. But before you do that, I recommend you have to try to go through your browser and here to search for Apple System Status. Just search for this, there's Apple System Status, and you just have to open the first website from here, and here just tap on this plus or the cross option, and you just have to make sure that App Store, iCloud, and Apple account services are available. So here's the App Store, here's the Apple account, and now just look for iCloud as the iCloud account and sign in. So you just have to make sure that these all services are available, or if these or any of these is unavailable, so it might be a server issue, which can be easily fixed by waiting for almost 1 hour, 2 hours, or sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So once you find they are available, you can easily retry. Or if you're facing the issue that there is no any server issue, but you're still facing the same issue, just go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, tap on the sign out option here, then tap on sign out but don't erase. Tap on continue, then continue again. Enter your Apple ID password here. Once you have entered your Apple ID password, your Apple account will be signed out. Once you have signed out, just re-sign in and then re-sign in. You will not get the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix your issues in your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.